the next question says could
Okay, go ahead. Please go ahead.
Could Rav please teach us how to fight with laziness and wake up early in the mornings?
The best way that works, the best way thing that will help me to stop wherever I stop. I'm going to tell you a story about myself. So, because our sages say everybody understand punishment. Everybody understand some loss of the money, right? So that's the best way. So I wanted to stop some bad character trait. It was not worse, but I need like big boost. Like maybe it was many years ago. So I had this shul not too far from me, and they like not, I don't know, this Chabad rabbi. So basically he's into the party. The best is Hanukkah party and Purim party. All other days of the year, not so much about Judaism. Like about eating together and praying together. I don't know. So, but not to teach people about Judaism, right? But party is like unbelievable with gifts, with children. It's like whole shul, and I said to myself, I went to the shul and I said, I want like pushka from your shul. I said, absolutely, like you're going to collect us money, right? And I put this pushka on my nightstand, and I said, if you're going to do this, you're going to donate money for this Hanukkah party. That's for me, it's a bigger punishment. You understand? To be sponsor of this event, because people come, people intermingle, like whatever they do, people eat without blessing and live without blessing, and come there immodest, and nobody changes for all of the years. Okay, all of this garbage, right? And people send their children to public school. He never ever say anything about this, never ever say about Shabbos, and actually he's this clown is actually one of the people that we stopped inviting guests in our house, because you just fill this holy vessel with some holiness. You send them back, this couple, this guy. He comes to this clown, to other clowns, and they just knock all the whole vessel, and the people go back. People go back like too easily from these clowns. You understand? So we just stop. We just stop with the guests, because we saw it's a waste of time. And right, so I said, okay, if you're going to do it again, so you're going to pay for the Hanukkah party. That's what you want. So I scared myself very much, and I slept twice, and after that I did not sleep. So, and then of course I was allowed to upgrade the Tzedakah and sent to proper Torah institution, but it's actually worked very best for me, very good for me. So it may make it sizable punishment for yourself, or whatever is it. And pretend that it's going to give to Hamas, let's say. If you're going to like oversleep 5 minutes, you're going to give to Hamas, to rockets. No, I mean, don't do that. That's too much, but that's extreme. But meaning to some not a good cause. That you would feel like sorry, so you would lose your sleep for the next 5 days if you're going to help this cause. Even $1. Forget about like large dollar. I said to myself $100. So it's a lot of money for me. Right, so twice, and I stopped. So that's what you do. You give yourself punishment, and everybody understands the laws of money. Very good. Personal story.
Thank you very much, Rabbi. That was nice.
Yes, you're welcome.
Okay, so the next question says. So our friend says absolutely amazing. Thank you very much, Rabbi.
You're welcome.